strips with jasmine rice and baby bok choy. Today we will be using Home Chef's recipe.
If you don't know what Home Chef is, go to www.homechef.com. The link will be provided in the description. Home Chef!
Are 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes,
1 ounce honey,
3/4 cup jasmine rice,
1 teaspoon Asian garlic and ginger seasoning,
2 heads of baby bok choy,
2 garlic cloves,
1 lime,
1 teaspoon multicolored sesame seeds,
3 ounces garlic sesame sauce,
10 ounces steak strips.
We will also need olive oil, salt, pepper, a small pot, and a large non-stick pan. In this recipe, this is how you cook the rice. Bring a small pot with jasmine rice and 1.5 cups of water to a boil. Reduce to a simmer, cover, and cook until rice is tender, 18 to 20 minutes. Remove from burner, add half the seasoning blend, and fluff rice with a fork to combine. Taste and add remaining seasoning blend if desired. Cover and set aside. While rice cooks, prepare ingredients. First, we need to wash our hands.
Next, we wash our vegetables. Next, prepare the ingredients.
Remove any discolored leaves from bok choy and cut the ends. Stems into 1/4 slices
and coarsely chopped leaves. Keep stems and leaf separate.
Quarter 1/2.
Juice the other half.
Mince the garlic. Separate steak strips into single layer and pat dry. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper.
The ingredients are ready.
Let's cook.
Place a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add 1 teaspoon olive oil. Add bok choy stems to hot pan and stir occasionally until softened, 5 to 7 minutes.
Add garlic, bok choy leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Stir occasionally until whittled, 1 to 2 minutes.
Of lime juice and bring to simmer.
Hot pan and stir occasionally until no pink. 1 to 2 minutes. Honey. Bring to a simmer. Once simmering, stir occasionally until sauce cooked steak strips. 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove from burner. Combine bok choy and steak strips. rice to your bowl. Then add the Asian ginger garlic sauce seasoning. Top it with the bok choy and steak strips. Sprinkle some sesame seeds, and red pepper flakes are optional. I only want a little bit because I don't eat spicy stuff. Time to eat! Oh my oven hot.
Rồi, mời hai con. Wow, nào làm ngon quá vậy.
Delicious.
Ông bà ơi, ngon không?
Oh, very good. Good job.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, so good.
It's delicious. Going to try bok choy. Tastes pretty good. Ngon quá.
So good.
Ngon quá.
The best. Thank you, Home Chef, for making this happen.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
Thank you for watching us.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Everyone. Today we will be using Home Chef's recipe.
If you do not know what Home Chef
Today we will be using Home Chef's recipe.
If you don't know what Home Chef is go to Home Chef.
Hello,